Mabuhay, welcome. Got yet another unboxing for you today from somewhere different this time. These plants have come from the cactusshed.co.uk. Now I only became aware of this website through Lynn from Desert Plants of Avalon. She made an Instagram post about some of the plants that the Cactus Shed had sent to her and then did an unboxing video. So after seeing that and seeing the awesome plants Lynn had been sent, of course I had to go and take a look and make an order myself. I said in my last unboxing video that I don't usually order plants online this time of year because winter's fast approaching in the UK, but had to make an exception in this case. There was a lot there that were actually on my wish list and amazing prices as well, so I ended up ordering quite a few. Now because I spent a certain amount, there's an extra randomly selected plant in here. If you spend £25 before postage and packing, you'll get one, and if you spend £45 before postage and packing, you'll get two randomly selected plants. So that's cool. I'll put all the links to their website and all their social media links in the description below as well, so if you want to go over and take a look. So yeah, let's get this box open and see what awesome plants we got from the Cactus Shed. Yeah, we've got a good selection in here as well, lots of different types. Looks like it's awesomely packaged as well. So yeah, Conrad from the Cactus Shed has put a little note in here as well about one of the plants. He says, sorry if I won't say what it is, has fallen apart, almost impossible to avoid. Plant all the branches, they will all become new plants and you'll soon be giving them away. Awesome. And he's also kindly put what the free plant is as well. So yeah, let's see what we got in here then. Alright then, let's see what we got up first. They all come with labels as well, which is good. I'll try my best at pronouncing some of these, but I know some of them have got crazy names as well. It's got seed pods on it as well. Yeah, this is Frailea shalinskiana. I've had my eye on one of these for a while. Really nice roots. Great looking plant. Off to a good start. Right, next one. Open up first. That's awesome, it's got a flower bud on it as well. So yeah, this is Tuberocarpus swabidae, I think that's how you say it. Probably not though. Yeah, this is my first Tuberocarpus in my collection. I've had my eye on a few of these before, but they've tended to always been grafted ones and quite expensive as well. That's really nice roots again. Right, third one. See by the label on this one. It's going to be one that I'm going to have difficulty pronouncing the name. I'm looking forward to seeing this one. That's a stunning looking gymno. Love the colour of that. Yeah, this is Gymnocalycium Rhodacantha. Really nice looking one. Yeah, bluey grey sort of colour. Alright, fourth one. Tuberosus in here, cooking for later. Another really cool looking plant. Yeah, this is Cactus panerotoi. Really healthy looking. Let's see what we got next. And nice for the individual wrapped as well. Nice looking one. This one I'm probably not going to try and pronounce. It's an Echinocerius though. It's kind of a bit of a crazy name. It's an awesome purple flower on it, this one does. Once again, great roots. Next one, quite a few to get through. There's quite a few lethal ones in here as well. I'll probably end up jabbing my hand on them. Ah, this is actually the free one. I've never heard of this. That's a spiny one. That's really nice looking. Awesome free plant. So yeah, this is Wigginsia arenacea. That's a new one to me. Love it though. Thank you, Conrad. That's an awesome free gift to put in. Right, number 7. See if I just tear it actually. The scissors aren't the best. I'm looking forward to seeing this. Oh, I can see it's awesome already. And it's got seed pods on it. And a flower bud. That's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, this is Astrophytum myriostigma x capricorne. That's a cross between a Astrophytum myriostigma and a capricorne. Absolutely gorgeous. Once again, awesome root system. Right, next one. I have to say, so far I've been extremely impressed with the quality of these plants. Another Cactus in here. So yeah, this is Cactus Pulaski. Right, next one. We're about halfway through now. Grab the label quick. one with a flower on it. Awesome. Yeah, I think Lynn got this one as well. It's Gymnocalycium raganesi ex Baldianum. So it's a hybrid between those two. I think Conrad from the Cactus Shed, this is one of their creations, so it's very cool. Right, on to some slightly larger ones now, it seems. Very spiny one. Spines on that are awesome. Yeah, this is Pterocactus conophelus. Another one for the Cactus collection. Once again, great roots. Fantastic. Alright, let's see what we've got in this one. Oh yeah, this is one I've been after for a while, this one. Quite lethal though, this one, so I'll be careful not to jab myself on this. That's gorgeous. Yeah, this is Denmoza rhodacantha. I think there's only two Denmoza species, this one and another one. Yeah, I've had my eye on this one for a while, but couldn't manage to ever find one anywhere. Gorgeous plant. So what have we got in this one? Again, this is another one I know it's got lethal spines on it. Absolutely vicious spines. No, that's gorgeous. This is Canthocalycium spiniflorum. Right, we've got 3 left. This is another spiny one. I think Conrad sent this one to Lynn as well. Yeah, it's that one with the crazy spines. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah, this is another Canthocalycium violacum. These aren't actually as lethal as they look. Right, next one. Another gymno in here, and this one's got lethal spines on it as well. can see. Yeah, this is Gymnocalycium mondili horridospinum. Very cool looking gymno. Right, last one. This is one that has a habit of falling apart. A very cool looking one though. I was intrigued by it when I saw it. That's really cool looking. Bits have come off, but that's okay. So yeah, this is Pterocactus tuberosus. I've never even heard of this plant before. And it is a cactus, believe it or not. That's very cool looking. Very unique. Right, there is one more. That wasn't the last one. That's another gorgeous Astrophytum. Yeah, this is Astrophytum capricorne major. Awesome spines on that. Nice markings. Right, here they are ready to be potted up as always. Of course I'll show some footage at the end again. Some potted up. I have to say that the Cactus Shed's going to be one of my go-to places for ordering offline. Absolutely stunning plants, healthy plants as well. Super happy with everything. Yeah, a massive thank you to Conrad from the Cactus Shed for supplying awesome plants. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Salamat po paalam, bye for now.